What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm here with Adrian.
What up,
We're waking up today. We have a plan to go out to San Diego, and why we're gonna go to San Diego, we're gonna go meet up with our ladies. Adrian's wife,
Christina. Yep.
and my new, now I don't know if you guys seen it, but she's my fiance now, so she's no longer my girlfriend, she's my fiance. Popped the question, she said yes. So yeah, man, I'm a lucky guy. Like I said, we're gonna make our way out to San Diego right now. I don't know what the plan is. All I know is we're gonna end the night with a ghost tour. So we're gonna go to that ghost tour house. You ready, Adrian?
It's the Whaley House tour. It's gonna be awesome. While we're down there, we may hit up a couple restaurants. We'll show you guys some food, some drinks, water. So, yeah, San Diego. It's gonna be nice and cool down there. We're gonna go have fun.
There you go. So you heard it. Let's roll out. Food, water, and some ghosty ghosts. So let's roll.
You're good.
Well, anyway, we just got to San Diego. We posted up. I have no clue where we're at because I've never been to this part of San Diego before. But we're waiting on the girls to get here. They're like an hour away, supposedly. And yeah, we're just going to go kill some time. So we're going to wait. Once we get the girls here, we'll eat. And then on to that ghost tour. I'm super stoked and excited.
We're at Seaport Village. For those of you who know where it's at, congratulations. For those of you who don't, that's
Seaport Village, I guess.
Yeah, it's down in San Diego, down towards the downtown area. Very nice area. So we'll show you around.
Cool. So we're gonna check it out right now. Seaport Village. Here we come. Oh, how I would love to be fishing right now, Adrian.
Oh, absolutely. A couple boats out there doing their thing.
This water looks super clean, super crisp. Well, I don't know about clean, but it looks super crisp. It looks nice and fresh. And I imagine catching fish right now would be freaking awesome. So I wish I could fish, but I'm fishing for my lady to come over here now. So I just gotta wait that out. But anywho, we'll keep checking it out. And if you look in the distance over here, we got the aircraft and the naval carriers over here. All military ships. Well, that's not one, but that is way out there. Oh, there you go, way there. And then you have that bridge that leads to Coronado Island over there. Pretty dope, Adrian. Pretty dope.
It's freaking awesome. Love down there.
I don't know which way we're going. I don't know which way we're going. Alright guys, so we just made our way to this place called Buster's. As you can see, we met up with the girls. There's Christina and Adrian. And this is Special K, the lucky lady who now has a ring. So this is the place we're going to eat. It's a little warm in here, as you can tell. I'm a little sweaty. I don't know if you can see it because I'm kind of dark, but it's at least got a really nice view. So we got the boats out there, people walking by, and we're just going to chow down right now. So we'll show you our food, and then we'll be on our way. She's going to close the thing. Go ahead, close the thing. Really? Lame. She wants to show off her ring, guys. So she's dipping it with her left hand. Is it good?
So good.
Wow. Oh my god. So we also got some fried pickles, biggest pickles we've ever seen.
That is really good.
And then
Wow,
spinach
even
and
bigger.
artichoke dip.
Even bigger.
What about you?
He wishes. He wishes.
All around me are familiar faces.
Alright, so I just got my food. Babe, you're still waiting on yours, right? My food, it's just like a regular chicken and rice bowl. It looks freaking amazing, so let's check this out. Look at that. And Adrian got some good food.
It's a mahi-mahi, but I only got one
got some
mahi.
good
Really
food.
smells like fish.
It looks freaking delicious, so I can't wait to jump into this and just start eating. So let's dive in. What are you doing?
I'm blind.
Why?
Sun's my eyes.
So anyway, we just got done eating at Buster's. Babe, what'd you think?
It was good.
It was good? I thought it was good. My food was fairly simple,
Pizza was a little
straight to the point, but it was pretty delicious. So I'm really full. Didn't have a lot to eat. I didn't overstuff. That's always good because we got a lot of walking to do. But anywho, gonna walk, and then we'll be on that ghost tour. So stay tuned. What are you doing, Christian?
Getting him to show off my engagement ring. He
Oh my gosh.
Here we go again.
get
Doing a thing here, guys. I'm getting a tattoo.
It's pretty painful, right?
Yeah, it hurts. Actually, no, it doesn't. It's just a henna tattoo, but I never had a tattoo before, so this is my first time. Gonna see what it looks like, and then hopefully my mom don't kill me.
You're like,
Babe,
cut it out.
my tattoo's done. It's all small.
Does
Like I
this
said.
tattoo match my ring?
Oh my gosh. Like I said, it's my first one. It's not real, but yeah,
Fun.
it's fun. Kind of feels weird on my arm. Yeah, well, I have to keep my sleeve up now. But Adrian's in the chair now. He's getting one done too. His will be a lot cooler than mine. So, but his is coming out pretty really dope.
Yeah.
Pretty really dope. What is that?
Pretty really dope.
All right. So Christian's paying for all of us. Thank you, Christian.
Hey.
My tattoo's done. Adrian's is done. I don't know where he's at. I can't see.
I got a butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Don't forget mine.
What?
Hey, butterfly.
And here's the artist. If you guys want to go check her out, go follow her on Instagram at what is it?
Gopi Henna.
That's GOPIHENNA. So make sure to go follow her right now and give her a like, subscribe and all that good stuff to her. So yeah, good work. Let's go. So we just left the henna and we instantly walk up on this guy doing bubbles. I can't see him, but I'm gonna flip it around.
I love bubbles.
Christian's over here playing with bubbles. Adrian's playing with bubbles. Christina's laughing at us. But this dude who's dressed up like a pirate or a sailor making bubbles.
If you do happen to get any good shots, please tag at the Bubble Pirate on Instagram.
You hear that, guys? At the Bubble Pirate. What? That's cool. Bubble attack right there.
Yeah, that's where the bubble attack and everyone is encouraged to attack the bubbles.
Nice. That looks fun. They're still flying over there. Christian's still at all. Oh, that's a big dog. Hi, doggy.
Oh, hi.
Whoa! Look at all these bubbles, Christian. That's so cool.
Happy.
Huh?
Bubbles make me so happy.
How happy?
So happy.
Happy enough to show off your ring again?
Hey.
Bam! Can do a monster bubble, he says. Let's see.
Monsters.
Whoa! Hey, that was crazy.
Yeah, we go for a couple of monsters. We're good. The monsters are good. Then I can go on to the dragon.
Oh, he's gonna do dragon?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a bubble dragon.
Alright, fam. So we just made our way from where were we at?
Seaport Village.
We're at Seaport Village and now we are here at the Old Town Market in Old Town San Diego, and there's a lot of pretty cool stuff here. A lot of stuff from my culture, man. That's pretty dope. Kind of reminds me of Vera Street back in LA, but it's a little different. But anyway, yeah. So we're just killing time. Gonna check out some cool shops. Gonna check out some cool sites, and then we'll be on our way to that ghost tour. That's what I'm really excited about. Alright, Adrian.
Super awesome.
But anyway, yeah, so we're just gonna kill time. We'll be on that ghost tour soon. See you there.
Yeah.
Told joke, a bad joke.
So, there we go. Here we are. We are in front of the Ghost Adventures booth. We just checked in right now. Start the event. We're gonna start with pre-show, telling stories. There you go.
Oh,
There's
you can't even see me. What's up?
yeah.
So is Adrian taking over my channel now?
Yep. Hijack the channel.
You handle it, brother. You handle it.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see behind us. There's a church right there, the Immaculate Conception Parish. We're gonna go take a look over there right now. Sorry, this is my first time taking over here, and so you're only getting half of me, part of my face. But yeah, we're gonna check it out and let's go have some fun.
I don't know what he said, but anywho, we just checked in. Oh, dang, that's a nice church. Dang, look at this. That is a beautiful church in there. Oh my goodness. like I was trying to say, we just checked in for the ghost tour. We're about to be on the way to the tour, and we're walking there, so as you can see I'm a little bit sweaty, but I'm super stoked. Gonna catch some ghosty ghosts, and then hopefully, you know, not take one home, because I don't need to be taking a ghosty ghost home and they're calling me, so I gotta go. So we'll see you on the tour. Hey Geeks.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm selecting my design.
That's right, girl. Turn that knob. Work that arm. Shove it in there. Yeah. Okay. Pressing it? Put your back into it. That's right. Ooh, girl, I love it when you press my penny. What you get? What you get? Let's see. Focus. Oh, dang, that's nice. Woo! Is that for me?
Always.
Yeah. We're on the tour now.
I know.
It's scary.
It's not even started.
Oh, my bad. Well, here we go.
Really?
So this is the most haunted house in the world, huh?
No, United States.
Oh, my bad. Most haunted house in the United States, huh?
Yeah.
Well, here we go.
Very good. We're going to take you to the Whaley house very, very quickly.
I'm ready. I'm super stoked. Actually, I'm not ready.
Thomas Whaley.
Oh, that's cool. Tom's Whaley right there. Not gonna lie, I'm nervous, so let's go. Alright, I'm on my phone now because we can't record for the tour. Taking some video of this room. Nauseous? Yes, definitely. Man, chairs. The outside from the second story. It's crazy.
All right, goes to gravestones now for the ground floor. The ground floor has 3 rooms, the guest room, the study, and the park.
That was intense, man. We made it to the Wiley house, Adrian.
That was cool.
Yeah. They said at the beginning, once we got there, we couldn't record in the inside. So pretty much what's going to come up is a bunch of stills. But I still recorded on my phone, so shh, don't tell them. But it wasn't the tour, so we got some video of the house, Adrian. What'd you think?
It was awesome. It was amazing. You get this like sense of, I don't know, like you can feel something in the air.
Yeah, you can really feel the spirits there, man. Sad story, cool history, and a lot of, you know, weird stuff. But on to the next stop. We're gonna go to the cemetery,
Yes.
for the next part of the tour, and then we'll head up to Mission Hills for the last part. So let's go.
There are about 75 or so gravesite markers here.
We just got a little bit of a tour, or a little history breakdown of the cemetery. We're in the cemetery now, and it was a little hard to see. You can barely see me. Boo. Alright, so I'm trying to use my phone backlight so you guys can see some of these graves here. Pretty cool. It's sad for the deceased. They were here for a long time ago. Edward Lynch Green with his tombstone. That's Adrian.
Or am I?
Oh shoot, it's a ghost. It's making me sad to see these ones that are small, because it makes me think they're kids, man. That's really sad. Gonna get it up real quick, but using my light right now, we just called to go back so we can get on the trolley and make it up Mission Hills. But this is pretty cool to see the cemetery, so I think we're on the last leg of the tour, and then we'll be done for the day. So stick around, one more stop, and we'll be heading home. Alright fam, so we ended up not recording the last part of the tour because there wasn't really much to record. So now we're here at this place called Café Coyote, or Café Coyote, and we're gonna end the night. So right now we're gonna just chow down on some food. Look at our food. Woo! Look at that, 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 look at that. What are you drinking? Look at that.
Flavored water. Flavored water.
So our food's here. I just thought I'd show you guys real quick the food at this place right here. It's freaking delicious. It looks good. It tastes good. I mean, I can't even complain. So it's been a good day today. Good food, good drinks, good time. Like I said already, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share the video with your friends, and we're out for real this time. Deuces.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to